Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important. We have updates from two companies, Tech Mahindra and DE Shaw. Okay, so Tech Mahindra Super Coder 2022-23 hiring next round will be released. First round exam result is declared and DE Shaw is sending the exam update to 2024 batch, like registration details to 2024 batch. It is a biggest hiring. Multiple roles are there. Salary is 22 LPA. In the video we will discuss about online test and interview process. So let's start the video. Before starting, we are sharing the direct hiring opportunities with all of you. Like and share the video. Okay, so the first update is from Tech Mahindra. So one of the most important point, I am just giving the video in the form of like time stamps, so you can check the Tech Mahindra time stamp as well as you can check the basically DE Shaw time stamp. Okay, so this is very important point. So basically candidate received the mail from Tech Mahindra team shortlisted round 2 Tech Mahindra Super Coders hiring challenge. One of the most important point, they mentioned that we are thrilled to inform that you have been shortlisted for second round of Tech Mahindra. Okay, the second round will comprise advanced aptitude test and coding question designed to assess your problem solving ability. One of the most important point, solve the advanced aptitude and previous year questions on YouTube. Okay, you can solve so many questions through IndiaBix website, because in the advanced aptitude they will give you logic. Okay, logic based questions will be asked, like वहाँ पर ये चेक किया जाएगा कि किस टाइप से आप क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करते हैं. पार्ट्स तो वही होंगे, कॉन्ट्स, रीजनिंग और वर्बल, लेकिन चेक किया जाएगा. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू कोडिंग, ओके, दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी इज फॉर 5.5 LPA. ओके, सो द एल्गोरिथम्स एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग सेक्शंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, कुछ इस टाइप से ही आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे डीएसए से रिलेटेड, या फिर आपको ट्रिक्स दे दी जाएगी जिससे कि आपको यहाँ पर टेस्ट केसेस पास करने होंगे. कोड में भी यहाँ पर बताया जाएगा. सो बेसिकली आई सजेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू कैन प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम एनी प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक हैकर रैंक, हैकर अर्थ, लीड कोड और कोड शेफ. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, like candidate send me update like today on 10:44 AM. Okay, so I mentioned that like, hi, it's great news, best wishes for next round. So if you received the mail, best wishes for next round, prepare well and practice. As well as if you not received, if your performance is very good in the examination, I suggest you to wait for 1 to 3 days. Okay, they will send the exam mail, like they will send the next mail in the upcoming days, so we can wait till apply for next opportunity. Let's move on to our next important update, that is related to DE Shaw. Basically DE Shaw is announced the biggest off-campus hiring for 24 batch, and I also received the mail from the DE Shaw. This is one of the most important point. You have to complete the registration. Okay, this registration is very important. Okay, because this registration is officially on Hire Pro portal. Okay, they will ask like for which role you are applying, as well as online test is scheduled on 16th March for shortlisted student. Okay, so one of the most important point that I have to mention in this video, basically 22 LPA is the salary. Okay, 22 LPA to 23 LPA is the salary, and 2024 batch is eligible, as well as multiple roles are there. Okay, multiple opportunities and multiple roles are there. So like when you click on registration link, so the this type of page will be open, as well as you have to just click on this here. After that, the associate off campus hiring, in which you find all the job descriptions. Okay, that is related to financial research, OR desires, Desiree, FO Tech, as well as they will mention the frequently asked question as well, so you can check all the preference. You have to first select your job preference, in which domain you want to work. So I suggest all of you to check the job description first. Okay, like suppose you are interested for financial research, so check the job description. Okay, like what they are looking for, as well as what is the package for that, like 22 LPA to 23 LPA. This is very important point. You have to select in the DSRI preference. Okay, suppose you are selecting the DESRI, so you can select like you have to work with account payable or legal entity controlling. And in the second preference you have to select personal details. Okay, what's your mobile number, email ID, education type, okay, address details, job offer, attachment photo. This is Hire Pro. This is very very important because it is a unique link and you have to submit all the details. Okay, let's talk about our important point that is related to online test and interview. Okay, so basically what they mention that we have opened an associate role during off-campus hiring for business unit. These are the roles that is related, like for 4 roles they are hiring freshers batch. Okay, and what is the step by step process that is related to this hiring. So basically they mention that this hiring is related to applying, like you have to apply, registration, submission of preference and selection of role for process. Okay, the application window is open, you can till apply like above links till 5 March. Okay, they mention that this is very very important point, like this is a unique registration link. If you applied earlier, so you will got the mail. Okay, so they will already requested the registration form. You have to submit. The online test is scheduled on March 16. Once you clear a certain cutoff in the online test, you will immediately proceed to asynchronous interview AI section. In AI section, you will be record video responses to question, guidelines for the section. After completing the online test, selected student will undergo one-on-one interview. Okay, what kind of questions can a student expect during online test? They mention multiple choice question, there will be no subjective question. Okay, so they mention all the details that is related to this hiring, so you can check all the details here. Okay, so one of the most important point that I have to mention, first is online test. Okay, like first is registration. You completed the registration, they will ask some of your details through Hire Pro, and after that online test, in online test MCQ questions is there, you cleared and you meet the cutoff. After that asynchronous interview is there, AI interview. After clearing, one-on-one interview is related. Okay, and after that your selection will be there. Okay, so if you are from 24 batch, one of the most important point, apply for the opportunity. Like if you already applied, fill this form, don't do any mistake. I hope this video is very very important for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.